Okay, hello. This is actually an add-on to the video I just finished shooting. Sometimes you'll find that you'll need to make specialty connectors. And in doing so, you'll have to take apart old dead batteries, such as 9-volt batteries. I wouldn't recommend doing it with any other battery. And the fact that this is actually a connector. You'll do it very carefully. Please be careful. These machine surfaces can hurt you. Now, I know we can go out and purchase these items, but sometimes emergencies do happen. So, this specialty connector will go connected to the AC to DC power supply from the wall. And it'll allow you to use it as a power supply to power your items that need 3 to 12 volts. Alligator clips sometimes are too temperamental to use. They just don't want to stay in place. So where you'll need a specialty connector, you'll find it from a dead battery. Okay, please be careful. Machined metal is not very friendly and it can cut you. So the way you'll finish this off is that you'll cut the wire to a specific length using the appropriate tools such as diagonal cutters and wire strippers. Okay, so what you'll do is you'll cut off maybe about a foot length of scrap wire. Strip the ends off, solder it to this connector, and then on the other end you'll strip the wire, and where you strip the wire you can use your alligator clips. Alligator clips like clipping into wires. They have more grip than clipping on to the ends of batteries, 9-volt batteries. Or sometimes you'll use neodymium magnets. Okay, so in order to finish off this connector, once it's soldered on, you'll use hot glue to finish off the back of the connector. Trust me, you'll want to hold on to this with one of those pliers that I used previously. Or you can even use this right here, the AC to DC connector itself. And you'll hot glue the back of this connector to insulate it. Okay, so that's the addition to the video I just finished shooting. We'll see you in the next video. You'll have a good day. And once again, I appreciate my subscribers, current, past, and present. Hello once again. This is an add-on video to the video I just uploaded. Sometimes you'll find that you'll need to make specialty connectors. Specialty connectors allow you to connect to specialty items. This is a AC to DC power adapter, and this is a 9-volt connector. But sometimes alligator clips don't want to be very cooperative. So you'll have to find a way to make a specialty connector out of an item that was probably going to be thrown away or recycled. So you'll remove the connector from the 9-volt battery and you'll have this left over. Okay. So sorry about that. I'm not gonna edit that out. I just I need to finish this video up so I can get back to what I'm supposed to be doing. Salut. Okay, so what you'll do is you'll cut an appropriate length wire from a scrap piece of wire. The length that really doesn't matter so long as you have other items to bridge the gap in terms of length. I would say like maybe about a foot ought to do it. So you'll take a scrap piece of wire, you'll strip off the ends with the appropriate tools, right? And then you'll cut off the other end and you'll attach it via solder to this specialty connector. Now I know these items are out on the internet, but when you're in a scenario where you need to make your own right away, think outside the box. Not everything has to be purchased. This is a 9-volt connector that came off a dead battery. You can recycle the rest, right? You just need the top portion, and that's how you get a specialty connector. So I appreciate your patience. We'll see you in the next video, and once again, I appreciate my subscribers, to those current, present, and past. We'll see you in the next video. Y'all have a good day. You'll find that sometimes you can find connectors in odd places. Okay, so that being stated, please be careful in whatever you do. Don't try to hold me responsible for accidents. I can't be responsible for things that happen beyond the realm of this video. Just be careful. Remember, 110 and 220 volts are not your friend. Try to choose 9 volt or 12 volt or even less. Because we discovered, just in this scenario, that I fried out this LED, and I didn't mean to. So now I'm going to have to make a new continuity and polarity tester. It got fried out because this went beyond its parameters or range. So I'll have to make a new one. Okay, that's the PS video for today. Y'all have a good day, and I hope you enjoy watching the previous video along with this one. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.